Did you know that beneath that shiny surface of your teeth, a silent villain might be forming? Tartar, a hardened mixture of bacteria and food residue, can accumulate over time, wreaking havoc on oral health. But fear not. Nature provides us with powerful allies in the fight against this dental foe. Let's explore the world of tartar and discover 5 natural ways to keep your teeth bright and healthy. Tartar is the result of mineralization of dental plaque, a sticky film that continuously forms on teeth. When plaque is not adequately removed, minerals from saliva deposit on it, transforming it into tartar. This buildup not only makes teeth yellowish and unsightly, but can also lead to more serious problems like gingivitis and cavities. 5. Natural ways to combat. Tartar. 1. Coconut oil to the rescue. Coconut oil is a true natural superhero when it comes to oral health. Its antimicrobial properties can help combat the bacteria responsible for tartar formation. Try swishing with coconut oil daily for about 15 minutes for a cleaner, brighter smile. 2. Apple cider vinegar, the dental elixir. Apple cider vinegar is not just a salad dressing, it's also a potent cleansing agent for teeth. Its mild acidity can help break down tartar and dental plaque. Dilute apple cider vinegar in water and use it as a mouthwash several times a week. 3. Baking soda, the brushing buddy. This simple pantry ingredient can work wonders for dental health. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that can help remove stains and tartar from teeth. Mix a small amount with water and gently brush teeth for visible results. 4. Green tea for protection. Besides being a delicious beverage, green tea is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. Studies suggest that compounds present in green tea may help prevent tartar formation, thus protecting oral health. Enjoy a cup of green tea daily to keep teeth cleaner and healthier. 5. Chew sesame seeds. These tiny seeds aren't just a tasty addition to your meals. They can also help cleanse teeth naturally. Chewing sesame seeds can help remove dental plaque and stimulate saliva production, which in turn helps neutralize harmful acids in the mouth. Remember, while these natural solutions can be effective, it's important to maintain a consistent oral hygiene routine, including brushing and flossing regularly, along with periodic visits to the dentist. With these simple strategies, you can keep tartar at bay and enjoy a radiant smile for years to come.